Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can rename any sheet in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So guys, you can see I created different sheet. So if I want to rename any sheet, so firstly select the sheet. So after selecting the sheet, so click the right side of mouse, and here you can see rename option. So just click on it, and here I will write name. So after rename, just press the enter button. So after pressing the enter button, you can see rename of this sheet is done. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.